Hi, my name is Nisha Dhawan and we are here today at MultiFit shooting for Pune Mirror's new health series called Mirror Health. Let me walk you through. So the entire series is going to focus on yoga related to mind, body and soul. We are entering our yoga studio and here we are. And today, we're starting this journey with something timeless, powerful, and deeply rooted in our culture, Surya Namaskar. While we all have heard about Surya Namaskar, and maybe we practice it too, but then again, today on Mirror Health, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process and exact scientifically correct way to perform a Surya Namaskar for you to get the maximum benefit. So take a deep breath, find a comfortable space and let's begin. Alright, so we're going to start with Surya Namaskar, which involves 9 movements. It's also called Vinyasa. A Vinyasa is when you mix a breath and a move together. We're going to do step-by-step process of the Surya Namaskar with 9 moves. And the form that we're going to be learning today is the Ashtanga Yoga form. Let's start. So we're going to join our feet. This is also called neutral position or Samasthiti. You can relax your hands, take a deep breath, inhale from your nose and exhale also from your nose. So we're going to be focusing on nostril breathing and no mouth breathing. Alright, so take a deep breath in and exhale. Once you've found your grounding and you're comfortable in this position, we can begin. Your first position, you're going to raise both your arms and inhale looking at your fingertips. First position, keep your core engaged, look at your fingertips. 2, you're going to do a slight forward bend. So bend from the hip and not from your back. Relax the neck completely. If your palms are not touching, you can also do a modified version by bending your knees. So that's the complete version and you can follow me for the basic version of it. From here, the third position is going to be a slight arch in your back as you look up and take a deep breath in. And then from here, take both your feet at the back, go into a plank position. Make sure that your arms are right underneath your shoulders, palms are open. That's right. Also, your body should be in one straight line. So no lifting the hips up and no dropping the hips down. Okay, let's go. So from the plank position, you're going to go and do a mini push-up all the way flat on the floor. That's right. Make sure that your knees are relaxed, your ankles are pressing down, feet are active. From here, you're going to do an up dog. Press into your palms and lift that chest up as you look towards the ceiling. Very nice. From here, bend your knees, bend the knees and go into a downward dog position. Make sure that your legs are absolutely straight, which is the actual position. But if you're a beginner, and you feel that you cannot straighten your knees, slight bend in the knees will be helpful. So bend your knees a little bit, that's right. But as you bend your knees, don't forget to push that chest towards the thigh because we don't want a round spine. We're trying to flatten the back throughout. Alright? So 2 versions, modified or the advanced version, whichever one works for you better. From here, walk your right leg, left leg in again to a forward bend position. Walk with the other leg also, that's right. Again, inhale, lift the neck up, flat back. And exhale, forward bend, release the neck. The idea is to fold forward and relax the spine. From here, coming back to the first position, inhaling, lift both your arms up, looking at your fingertips. And coming back to neutral, hands from the side. Very nice. And the neutral position is also to make sure that your posture is upright. So when you're coming back into your last position, make sure that you don't drop your shoulders. You still maintain your posture and come back to neutral, which is also known as Samasthiti. And this brings us to the end of today's Surya Namaskar session. If this practice made you feel lighter, calmer, or more energized, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and keep liking and sharing the videos.